Hey folks, just a quick video for you on the Anker charger here, the 67 watt Series 3 charger. I'm going to explain how you can get the most out of connecting to these 3 ports because this is a 67 watt charger. So if you want to get 67 watts, you need to use either the top or the second port, but you can only use one of them. If you have any other USB cable plugged into either of the other ports, then you are going to lose that wattage. Now, if you want to charge 2 devices at the same time, make sure you use the top 2 USB-C ports. And that will give you 45 watts for the top port and 22 watts for the second port. So the device that is going to need more power, make sure you plug that into the top port, as the second port is going to be reduced. If you use the top port, the top USB-C port and the Type A port at the same time to charge devices, so those 2 there, then the top port will give you 49 watts, whereas the bottom port here, the Type A port, will give you 18 watts, okay? And now, if you are going to be using the middle port and the bottom port, they will both be limited to 12 watts each. As I say, preferably for 2 devices, go for the top 2. Now, if you are going to be using all 3 ports at the same time, the top port will give you 45 watts, and then the bottom port will both give you 12 watts each. So the maximum output here is 67 watts. But depending on how you use the ports will determine just how much of that power you are able to see. So folks, hopefully that clarifies how best to use this. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you next time.